Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Milani Goat here. So today I'm doing a different video. I'm doing a video showing you guys how I meal prep for the week. If you are a busy, student, or you go to work, you have a 9 to 5, a lot of times don't have time to pretty much make your meals every single day. Especially for me, I really do not have the time to make my meals every single day. And I'm trying to be on this healthier journey, working out more and eating healthier. But I noticed that I tend to slack and fall off when I don't have my meals prepped. So in order to keep me on track, I try to meal prep as often as I can. So today I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the food that I make to meal prep. This is just 1 week of meal prep. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Also, please hit the thumbs up and hit the notifications button because that would allow you to be notified anytime I upload a video.
Baby, wait,
Alright guys, so I'm cutting all the ingredients that I will need. I'm going to take some onions and cut it up, and I'm going to take some carrots, some red peppers, zucchini, stuff like that. So I'm taking about a pound of raw shrimp. I love shrimp. I seriously could be pescatarian, but I really like chicken too. So anyways, so I'm gonna put the shrimp in a pan. I'm gonna take the shrimp and I'm gonna stir fry it for a bit in the pan. I'm adding my spices. I'm doing curry, I'm adding cayenne pepper, I'm adding paprika, I'm adding some salt, some black pepper, some thyme. So you can add whatever spices you prefer. Then I'm going to take the onions and I'm going to add that to the shrimp. Still adding a little bit of spices. I added some chili. So whatever works for you, whatever spices honestly will work. These are just the spices that I prefer. So I'm adding that and I'm stir frying that for a couple minutes. So I'm adding my red peppers to the mixture and adding a little bit more. Now I'm adding some more black pepper. I'm adding my mushrooms. Then I'm adding my zucchini. I always leave my mushrooms and I'm gonna boil some sweet potatoes. I prefer these brown sweet potatoes or purple, whatever. I prefer them to the orange looking sweet potatoes. These are actually sweeter and they kind of taste more like yam. So I'm just taking the stir fry and I'm adding that to the container, and I got these containers at Walmart. I'm gonna leave a link down below if you want to purchase these containers. So it has two sides to them. So I add my protein and veggies on one side, and then I add my carbs on one side, and it's really good also for portion control. Alright, so the next recipe that I'm going to show is called curry chicken, and this is a Jamaican recipe. I'm not Jamaican, I'm Nigerian, but I love curry chicken. So I have the full recipe on my channel. I will probably have the video before this video or right after this video. I didn't want to add that to this video because it would just make this video so long, and I don't like long videos. Alright, so I made the curry chicken and I'm getting the same bowls or containers, and I'm just placing the curry chicken and the gravy. I'm placing that in the bowls on one side, and then I'm gonna take my cup. It's like a measure cup, so I'm gonna use that to measure half a cup of brown rice. And I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna take some brown rice and I'm adding that to the other side of the bowl. Also gonna take some mixture of green beans and carrots, and I'm putting that in the bowl as well. So that is my veggies. So I have my carbs, my protein, and my veggies, and it tastes so delicious. Like, honestly guys, meal prepping doesn't have to be boring. Like, sometimes when I search meal prep videos, I see like people eating like broccoli with some salmon, or with nothing wrong with that, but I feel like you could still meal prep and still eat healthy and actually eat good. So that is the whole purpose of this video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this type of videos, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what other videos you'd like for me to make and put out for you guys.
If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification button because that would allow you to be notified whenever I upload a video. I want to wish you guys every ounce of love, joy, happiness, and success. And I'll see you guys in my next video.